everyone, today's video is a short summary of the Improvers Club Style Cha-Cha Solo Routine number 7, and this was taught on Thursday the 3rd of September 2020 online, one of our online classes. So if you're looking for the full 1 hour class in one of our playlists, if you're subscribed to our Cha-Cha plan, you'll be looking for Thursday the 3rd of September 2020, and this was part of that class. So very short summary. I will give you the few bars of the routine, then I'll dance it with the music, and there we go. Right then, 1 basic. So we had 2, 3, cha cha cha, 6, 7, cha cha cha. Little rocking step forwards, 2, 3, and then a little back sailor on the corner, 4 and 5. Now a little tap behind, 6, 7, and a second back sailor, 8 and 1. So a little bit of change of angle from the corners, doing those back sailors. Once more that bar, rock, replace, sailor, tap, out, second sailor. Okay, I'll count it all through at the end with all the numbers. That was the second bar. Bar number 3. Now left foot starting, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. So a little bit more for the left foot to do, and a little bit of a cheeky cha-cha to the side, a little chassis to the side. That bar again, 6, 7, 8 and 1. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. Don't put any weight on the 7. When you flick up on 6 and go down on 7, just make it a little point with the big toe. Don't put any weight on it, because you then need to go 8 and 1. That was bar number 3. Let's do bar number 4. We go with the right foot, little bit of a sweep, not too big because you haven't much time. 2 and 3, 4 and 5. So it's like a little ball change at the end, but it starts with a very small ronde, which is the sweep of the foot. So the basic sailor is this, cross T tum. That's what we did in the second bar, right? A sailor, where we go cross T tum. This one I'm going swoosh T tum, swoosh T tum. Okay, so right foot does that first. 2 and 3, 4 and 5. Little right foot crossover. 6. Put my weight on it, 7 open to the side, and then a right foot botafogo, 8 and 1. Okay, that's a little bit like our samba botafogo. Right, let's do that whole bar again. So I'm going 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 6, 7, 8 and 1. Okay, that's bar number 4. Bar number 5, last bar. Now, little Cuban breaks with the left foot into the right corner. 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. I open and look back to the front. 6, I'm going to jump out. 7, I'm going to jump crossed with the right over the left. 8 and 1. Unwind and look cool at the end. You can do a little bit of a, oh, I look cool, I look street. Let's do that bar again. 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. If you don't like the hopscotch and actually jump in it, you can go T-tum and do 1 foot at a time. You can go 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and 1. Yeah, you don't have to jump if your knees and your feet don't want to do that. Whole thing from the top. Here we go. Basic. 1, 2, 3, cha cha cha, 6, 7, 8 and 1. 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Now with the music.